Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dented Dreams Garage. In this episode, we are gonna get the El Camino back on the road. So we're gonna get you some clips of the last time we were actually driving this, which was, I don't know, 6 weeks ago, before we got some time to fix it. Sam is gonna come out and work on it. She's gonna redo some of the wiring. And then we're gonna have some footage of us driving it. Well, her driving it. So, here we go. Behind us. Oh, that cam just sucked all the vacuum away. You can barely smell it. I've been working on the railroad all the live long days. Oh, this is gonna be a fun day. Keep charging.
We burned the starter wires and we're going to fix them.
Well, I had the button starter thingy hooked to it, so that should be hooked on one of those terminals in there. If you're gonna pull that off, I'll get that out of there. I don't know, it's on the solenoid somewhere. Do you need an extension or anything?
Nope, we're good. This ratchet doesn't work at all. No, they got all wrong.
Here, I'll put that in the junk tool pile.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Yeah, there's one more junk ratchet in the drawer too. We need to source out so we can get rid of it.
So this is the one that melted against the header. And this is what we're going to use to fix it.
for tuning in. As always, please like and subscribe if you like our content. We're always trying to get better. We're always trying to do new things, try new projects. We love getting fan input, so drop a comment in there. We're pretty good about responding. And have a good night, guys. Be safe.